Welcome back. Now I'm out by the 2006 Land Cruiser 120 series or PRADO 120. Here, as hopefully many of you have seen or understand, that problem with the turbo. Get up a error code telling me that it's a problem with the pressure to the pressure from the turbo. The sensor was supposed to give that information is up here. I have bought a new one. I have changed it. Nothing happened. I have tried to clean the filter we see in here, and that didn't help. I've ordered some new filters, so that's coming. But no, I got a guy telling, but what about checking them? Here is the MAF sensor. This is a MAF, mass airflow sensor. What about checking that one? Someone believe it could come some information from that who is getting wrong on the other. So I have cleaned it before, but I can't just not cleaning it again. It's only 2 screws. Just disconnect it. Screws up here. It's not. It's just a little dirt on the. I think on this side is the air pressure, speed of the air coming in, and up here we have temperature. Now we use some brake cleaner. So I don't think it's any problem with this sensor, but at least it's very easy to just check. It's on the air filter box, and the air come from the filter and go into the engine. Back in the car, I'll clean the MAF sensor. Try to see what it tells me now. Exactly the same problem. My problem now, I think I have a winding noise in the front. You hear the engine. So it's something completely wrong. It's some winding, and the engine is not going as it should. It's very difficult for me to see, to say anything, because the engine that is going up and down, vroom, 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 up and down. Some information into some of the setup of the car is getting wrong. And I can't tell what it is. But the car was working completely as it should, and I was out driving, coming home to pick up one other guy, I was driving one of the boys to a practice. I was supposed to run home to pick up the other one to drive to the next practice. Everything was working fine till I come home. I stopped the car. I was going to drive the next one, then everything went wrong. Then after that was just problems. And then I got up these error codes. So of course a big minus, I don't have big enough garage to have in more cars, and with a big lift, and so I could have checked out things better. So I don't have it. So that's something you guys could help me by subscribing to the videos, and by putting a like on the videos, and comment. Of course, comment with the things that help me to find out. This is also a big help, of course. So we just have to try to help each other. No, at least I tried to clean the MAF and it didn't help. Same problem. Now the engine is a little warmer. You can try to start it up again. See, engine light is just keeping on, and the rest of the braking system and everything is coming on, so just the same problem. Okay, there's nothing more I can do now, but just to wait for the filters. If changing the filter doesn't help, then I just have to go into the garage and start checking more. But no, I'm not sure. Could be a leak of air somewhere. That's some of you guys was telling me. Then I need to get under the car and check it. Then I need to get it out inside, because the snow is too much snow out here, and I can't handle sitting here freezing. So okay, thank you, goodbye, please come back.